there, it's Susan, and today I'm going to try something new to me anyway. I am going to drop some paint in the middle of this canvas, and I'm going to blow with my straw, but I'm going to mix my paints with, I gotta put the cap on here so I can show you, with Deco Art clear pouring top coat, high gloss clear acrylic top coat. Normally you use it for the top of your painting to protect it, and I'm gonna mix it in with my paints today to see what kind of effects I get with it. I've already mixed most of my paints. I've got my white here. It's already mixed with about 1 part white paint, Artist Loft Floetrol white paint, and I added about 1/4 of the amount of Deco Art top coat to it, and then water to make it thin. I've got Quiracrian Magenta. I've already mixed that in here. I've got, that's this basics, Artist Loft Phthalo Blue, and that's mixed already. I've got Winsor Newton Winsor Violet. So I'm going to mix that for you and show you how much I put in. Okay, I'll just show you. So I'm just going to put my paint in here. So that's about how much I'm using of the paint. Actually, just another little daub in there. So I'll show you like that, and then like that. Okay, so the top coat, I'm going to use a little plastic spoon to add to here. So I'm going to fill the spoon, maybe not full, almost full. Whoops. And I'm just going to put it in here. And you can kind of see how much there is compared to the paint. So I did that with the other 2 colors. And mixing them up. You have to mix it and then add your water, a little bit at a time. Mix it and then add more water to get the right consistency that you need. With this kind of technique, it's a little bit thinner than, let's say, for a flip cup, because you blow the paint, so it has to be able to flow across the canvas with the straw. Trying to do it fast here. Okay, not quite yet. And I'm just using distilled water. I always use distilled water so that there's no chance of any kind of weird chemicals in the water. And it looks about right, so I'll try to show you the consistency. It has to flow off the stick, and it goes right into the paint. Whoops. It like disappears right into the paint. It's dripping because there's not enough on the stick. Anyway, it's pretty fluid. It doesn't leave a little mound and disappear, or any kind of mound at all. So, okay, so I'm just going to put you on pause for a minute and set up here. Okay, so I'm going to put a top base coat on this with white. Sorry about the hammering sound upstairs. I'm going to add the purple here. Oh, probably too much. The blue. The magenta. Gonna add paint around the outside. I'm trying not to put too much on because this is a very tiny canvas. Okay. Oh dear. Hammering and dog barking. So I'm gonna blow the paint over here, over the white paint over the color. With my breath, and then I'm going to blow it back. It's kind of hard to do without getting my head in the way, so but I'll try. This is very difficult, so I'm going to have to put it down, and my head's going to be in the way, but I'm blowing it with my breath, and I'm blowing out this way and out this way. Just going to leave it like that. Just going to blow this a little bit. Didn't like that middle part very much. It's different. Really liking that middle. Kind of interesting. Oops. I like how the colors blended, really pretty awesome. Didn't get too many cells, but that's okay. Well, I only got the ones from when I did the torch, really. That's pretty. I like it. Okay. I'll put the dried results at the end. Thank you for watching. Hello. I just thought I would show you the dried results. It dried nice, except for there's one little spot right here. I don't know what happened there. I missed that. Something must have been in the paint. Anyway, it changed quite a bit from when I finished the painting. Get cool effects with this blowing the paint. So anyway, if you like my videos, please click on the link and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell for more notifications. And I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.